Today I'm going to show you a dish from Nagpur or the Vidarbh region which is going to make you fall in love with rice all over again. This is called mutke bhat or goda bhat. This mutke or goda bhat is normally served with chinche se saar, which is tamarind saar or curry. Let's begin. We're going to start with washing the rice. I have 1 cup of basmati rice. This is aged basmati rice. I'm going to wash it 3-4 changes of water or until water runs clear and not cloudy. Now to a heated pan, add 2 teaspoons of oil. Let it heat up. Add mustard seeds and turmeric powder. I added 2 teaspoons of mustard seeds. Let's stir fry it to make sure turmeric is cooked in oil, and then we are going to add our washed rice. Now I'm going to stir the rice, making sure it's not sticking to the bottom and also covered with turmeric, so it will have a wonderful yellow color. Let's add 2.5 times of water now. My rice was aged as I mentioned before, so I'm adding 2.5 cups of water. If you're using different variety of rice, add the water accordingly. Also, I added 1 teaspoon of salt, which is the perfect measurement for 1 cup of rice. Now stir it well, making sure rice is not sticking to the bottom of the pan. Cover it and let the water boil. As soon as water starts boiling, lower the heat, stir it once or twice, cover it and cook for 15 minutes. We are going to cook the rice about 70%. At this point, heat has to be at the lowest setting. Now in the meantime, we are going to make our goda or mutka, which is made out of besan or chickpea flour. So I have 1 cup of coarse besan here. To that I added half a teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, which is not a hot chili powder. Also half a teaspoon of whole cumin or jeera. Along with that some salt. So it's about half a teaspoon of salt. Now we are adding 2 tablespoons of oil here. Because of the oil, our mutkas will be khasta and not very hard. Now all we need to do is mix that oil in that flour or besan, and then we are going to form a dough by adding little bit of water. This besan dough consistency should be little bit stiffer than the roti dough. Now the dough is formed, so now we are going to make small balls from this dough. I smeared some oil on my fingers so dough won't stick to my fingers. Now I'm going to take a small portion of the dough and then squeeze it in between my fingers, so that way I'll have my fingerprints on the dough ball, and that is why they are called mutka, or in Gujarati they call it muthia. If you wish, you can make them round balls. You don't have to do the shape, but this shape is traditional and tastes better. We're done shaping them. Now let's take this to our rice. Our rice is about 70% cooked. I can see there is little bit water in the center. This is the perfect time to add these mutkas to the rice, so it will be cooked too. I'm going to arrange these mutkas on top of the rice, press it down and cover the mutkas with little bit of hot rice. Once this step is done, cover the rice again and then cook it for further 10 to 15 minutes. Again, the heat is on very low and rice is cooking directly on gas top. You can cook it in pressure cooker if you wish. Our rice has been cooking for another 10-15 minutes. It looks perfectly cooked. Each grain is separated, and that's what we want. How do you know your rice is cooked well? You will see the rice grains are standing up. That's the sign. So let's move on to the next step. So we are making a tadka or fodni for our goda bhat. This is absolutely essential. I heated some oil, added couple of tablespoons of mustard seeds, let them crackle or pop. Now added half a teaspoon of cumin seeds and dried red chilies. These chilies have to be fried. Then we are going to turn off the heat and add pinch of hing. And our fodni is ready. I'm going to show you how to serve this rice. Traditionally, this goda bhat or mutke bhat is served with chinche se saar, which is tamarind saar, curry, which is made out of yogurt, or spiced buttermilk, which is also called matta, and that's what I am doing it today. There is a way of eating this rice. First, you are going to serve good amount of rice along with couple of mutkas. Now you are going to serve some fodni or bagar on top of the rice, making sure you get some fried red chilies also. Crush those chilies with your fingers, crush the mutka with your fingers. Mix everything very well and make sure you get everything in a bite. Now take a wonderful bite. It's heavenly.